Hello, buddy.
Hello, buddy.
Hello.
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 All right, we just got to the, what is it, Sun and Surf.
Yep.
I'm wearing special earrings today. Can you see them?
Are they bringing the parrots out?
They're bringing the parrots out.
You know what I'm saying?
Parrots are coming out. Mikey's got his parrot shirt on. Romeo, good morning. Good morning, Romeo. Good morning, Romeo. Hi. Good morning, Congo. Oh my God, look what they did with the ice cream cone down there. Congo, hello. Good morning.
Good morning.
I wore my parrot earrings today.
Oh, very nice. Nice touch.
He's got his parrot shirt on.
That's wonderful.
We had to make a stop over here. We always hear about you guys.
I love it.
Hi, Bullwinkle. Hi, Brutus. Hi, Brutus.
He was hanging from the top by. He was hanging from the top by his feet.
Congo, what you doing, you crazy birdie?
Look, bye.
Oh. Oh my
He's showing
God.
off for you.
Oh, you're such a good birdie. Yes, Mr. Birdie. Maxwell. Hi, sweetheart. What you got? What you got, sweetie? What you got, babe? You're so pretty. Yes. Good boy. And they keep coming out. I love it. Oh, you're right there. Hi, Stratford. Oh, you're handsome. Hi, babe. Good morning, guy. Hi, honey. Hi, Birdie. Look.
Hello.
Hi, Birdie. Hello. Hello, Birdie. Stratford. Hi, Mama. Stratford, look. Well, you gotta pose with Stratford, babe.
Can we take a picture? I wore my parrot shirt for you today. Just for you, Stratford. Do you like it? You like it, yeah?
Then Buddy's here. Hi, Buddy. Hi, Buddy. We got more coming. So many birdies. Hi, sweetheart. You're my buddy, little Stratford. Yeah, look. You are still showing off over here, Congo. You're gorgeous. Say hello, babe. Where did I leave off? Stratford's my little buddy. Hi, guy. Yosemite Sam. You're beautiful. Hi. Hi, sweetheart. Aw. And Piglet. Where's... Hi, sweet Piglet. How long do they usually live? Because they're all a little old.
The big guys can live 80 years.
Wow, longer than most humans. That's amazing. Wow. Hi, beautiful. They want their breakfast. Yes. Hi, sweeties. Little swing. Stratford, you're my boy. What's going on, Stratford? Stratford's here. He matches my earrings, kind of, maybe, almost. This is awesome. I wish I could give you a huggy.
I've never heard his name.
I love you. Oh, yes. Oh, you're a little foof. You're a little foof. They're crazy. Is this a coconut? Congo, you calm down, you wild little beast. Aww. How's your breakfast? Ooh. Good morning. Hello. Yeah. Hi, you're so smart. You're smart. Yeah. You see my earrings? You like them? Yes! What you got to I love that we're the first ones here. So many parrots. Who's whistling? Hi, Birdie. You're so sweet, Birdie. Bailey just came out. Hi, pretty Bailey. African gray parrot.
Hello.
Hello. Pretty Bailey. Antigua. Oh, hi, pretty. You're so cute. Who's saying hello? We got two here. We got Jerry and Robin. Oh, pretties. Who's talking?
Hello.
Hello, buddy.
Hello.
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 Hello. Is it him?
Oh my god, they're whistling at you.
Woohoo! Hi, buddy.
Hello.
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 Oh my gosh, they're both. Oh.
Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hi, sweets. Mini macaws. Love you guys. Have a great time. Antigua, you pretty little baby. Taking a bath? Look at little Antigua. Pretty little eyes.
Hello.
Hey, buddy. Hello.
Buddy.
Hello.
Show my earrings for a second.
Hello.
Do you like these, buddy?
Hello. Hello.
Oh, Stratford's my buddy. Hi, big yes. He's my little friend.
Hello.
I love you. I love you. I love Stratford. I love you. You're my little sweetie. You're my little sweetie. You say mama? I'm your mama? Yes. He said yes.
He said yes.
Can I take you home?
Hello.
My little man. I love you.
Oh, he likes you.
Oh, he does. We bonded right away. Hello.
Hello.
Listen,
Hello.
buddy. I'm with Stratford. You say mama.
Hello.
Mama.
Hello.
Hi, Maxwell. What's up, babe? What's up?
Hello.
Hi. You want to go in the store?
Yeah.
Hello.
Hello. When you guys were young and you went into a store like this when you were little, did you have to get a sticker book?
Sticker book, yes.
Yeah, sticker book, like, and the stickers were always, oh, yes. Yeah.
For sure. All right, birdies. We love you guys.
Bye, guys. We're leaving. See you later, okay?
You'll get a lot of love today, I'm sure.
Bye.
I'm trying to find some of them that are like hiding. Birdie. Oh, Stratford, you're my babe. I love you. I miss you already. Oh. Oh. I know. Hi, sweetie. Oh, I love you.
Who's a sexy girl?
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Can you do that again for me, buddy? Can you hang from your beak like you just did? That's so cool. You are just hanging from your beak.